Get ready for the dictation at the rate of 150 words per minute English shorthand skill test special dictation on the topic of opposition raises student protests, Ram temple theft in Rajya Sabha and Article 370 movie for all skill test examinations. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, stop. The Rajya Sabha witnessed intense debates and sharp exchanges between the Treasury benches and the opposition parties as several contentious issues were brought to the floor. The political temperature in the upper house rose significantly when the opposition raised concerns regarding ongoing student protests across various parts of the country. Reports of alleged thefts near the newly constructed Ram Temple premises and the political messaging behind the controversial commercial movie centered on the abrogation of Article 370. These three issues became major talking points, reflecting the deep ideological divide between the ruling government and the opposition coalition. The proceedings highlighted how national security, cultural pride, and youth unrest remain central to the political discourse of the nation. The discussion opened with a strong push from the opposition regarding the plight of students who have been taking to the streets over multiple administrative issues. Opposition members argued that the aspirations of the youth are being systematically ignored by the current administration. They pointed out that widespread dissatisfaction regarding competitive examination management, sudden delays in results, and shrinking employment opportunities in the public sector have pushed the younger generation to the brink of despair. Several leaders noted that peaceful assemblies of students were met with an administrative heavy hand in multiple states, which they termed completely undemocratic. The opposition demanded a comprehensive statement from the Education Ministry detailing the steps being taken to restore faith in the national examination bodies and ensure that the future of millions of aspiring professionals is not jeopardized by systematic inefficiencies. They emphasized that student welfare should transcend party politics as the frustration among the youth could have long-term socio-economic consequences for the developing country. As the afternoon session commenced, the focus shifted towards matters of law and order, specifically regarding reports that emerged about alleged thefts and security lapses in the vicinity of the Ram temple. Given the deep cultural and emotional significance of the temple complex to millions of citizens, the opposition used this opportunity to question the comprehensive management and security infrastructure put in place by the local administration and the temple trust. Opposition speakers expressed concern that if minor crimes and thefts could occur in such a highly guarded and politically significant zone, it raised serious questions about the safety protocols for the thousands of devotees visiting the site daily. The ruling party strongly countered these assertions, accusing the opposition of trying to politicize a sensitive religious landmark and blow minor local incidents out of proportion simply to score political points. The Treasury benches assured the House that the security apparatus at the temple remains ironclad and that any criminal elements attempting to disrupt the peace or engage in illegal activities would face the strictest possible legal consequences. The debate took a highly ideological turn when the discussion moved toward the cultural and political impact of recent cinema, specifically focusing on the movie produced about the abrogation of Article 370. The opposition raised serious objections to what they described as the weaponization of commercial cinema for political gains. They argued that the film presents a highly one-sided narrative that glorifies administrative decisions while completely ignoring the complex ground realities, the long periods of communication, blackouts, and the local political sentiments of the region involved. According to the opposition leaders, such films are designed to create emotional polarization among the general public and are strategically released to influence voters ahead of crucial electoral cycles. They argue the government to ensure that historical facts are not distorted under the guise of creative liberty and entertainment. In response, the ruling party defended the film vigorously, stating that cinema merely reflects the historical truth of an landmark decision that fully integrated the region with the rest of India. The government side argued that for decades the previous administrations had allowed a temporary constitutional provision to hinder development and faster security challenges in the Northern Territory. The film, from their perspective, celebrates the political will required to bring uniform laws, economic development, and direct central governance benefits to the people of the region. They asserted that the public has a right to know the struggles and triumphs associated with national integration, and that the opposition's discomfort with the movie stems from their inability to accept the positive changes taking place on the ground. The intersection of these three distinct topics created a highly charged atmosphere in the Rajya Sabha, reflecting the broader national debates occurring outside the parliament walls, while the student process highlighted urgent domestic governance challenges regarding the education and employment. The discussions around the temple security and the political film touched upon deeper questions of national integrity, historical interpretation, and the role of media in shaping public opinion. The opposition continued to demand formal structures for accountability, pushing for parliamentary committees to look into both educational reforms and regional security management. Meanwhile, the government maintained its stance that its policies are aligned with long term national growth and stability, dismissing the opposition's arguments as attempts to create unnecessary panic. The session concluded with both sides remaining firm in their respective positions, showing that these sensitive issues will continue to dominate the political landscape for the foreseeable future. Stop.